Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise Zen master. People from far and wide sought his guidance and enlightenment. One day a young man, burdened by the challenges and hardships of his life, came to the Zen master seeking solace and motivation. The young man approached the master, his face lined with worry and his eyes filled with despair. He said, "Master, I am overwhelmed by the obstacles and difficulties that life throws at me. I feel lost and demotivated. Please show me a way to find motivation and inner peace." The Zen master looked at the young man with compassion and understanding. He gestured for the young man to sit beside him under a large oak tree. The master took a deep breath and began his story. Long ago, there was a skilled archer who was renowned throughout the land for his accuracy. People came from far and wide to witness his remarkable skills. One day, a young and ambitious archer approached the skilled archer and said, "I want to be the greatest archer in the world. How can I achieve this?" The skilled archer smiled and said, "If you truly wish to become the greatest archer, I will teach you, but you must follow my instructions without question." The young archer eagerly agreed and began his training under the skilled archer's guidance. For days, the young archer practiced diligently, honing his technique and perfecting his aim. However, he soon grew frustrated with his progress. Every time he missed the target, he became disheartened, and doubts filled his mind. "I will never be as great as the skilled archer," he thought. One day, as the young archer prepared to take aim, the skilled archer blindfolded him. Perplexed, the young archer protested, "Master, how can I hit the target without seeing it?" The skilled archer replied, "True greatness lies not in the eyes, but within your heart and mind. Focus on your inner strength, trust your instincts, and release the arrow." With trepidation, the young archer took a deep breath, visualized the target in his mind, and released the arrow. To his surprise, it struck the bullseye with unerring precision. The young archer removed the blindfold and looked at the skilled archer in awe. The skilled archer smiled and said, "You see, young one, true mastery requires more than physical skill. It demands unwavering faith in yourself, resilience in the face of challenges, and a mindset that never wavers in the pursuit of your goals." The young man listened intently to the Zen master's story, his troubled expression slowly transforming into one of hope and determination. He realized that the obstacles he faced were not meant to break him, but to shape him into a stronger and more resilient individual. From that day forward, the young man adopted the mindset of the skilled archer. He understood that success was not merely about hitting the target, but about embracing the journey, learning from failures, and trusting in his inner strength. The Zen master concluded, "Remember, my young friend, motivation and inner peace are not found in external circumstances but within yourself. Embrace the challenges that life presents, for they are the stepping stones on the path to greatness." The young man thanked the Zen master for his profound wisdom and left the village with newfound inspiration and determination. He carried the story of the skilled archer in his heart, drawing strength from it whenever he faced hardships. And as he persevered, he discovered that true motivation and inner peace were indeed within his grasp. And so, the young man embarked on a journey, armed with the story of the skilled archer and the teachings of the Zen master, finding motivation, resilience, and inner peace every step of the way.